The e-commerce market is developing really dynamically, and the popularity of online shops is only constantly growing. Due to higher competitiveness, many companies are left behind. As you probably know, online visibility is a must if you want your e-commerce to succeed. Today we're going to talk about product naming and how it affects SEO. Speaking of SEO, we recommend reading the article on our blog about how important product descriptions are for SEO. Link to the articles in the description. To encourage potential customers to read your unique product descriptions, first you need to catch their attention with an attractive product name. It should be an appealing, shortened version of the description. Names frequently include information about the most important features of offered goods. Thanks to them, potential customers are able to quickly decide whether they're interested in the purchase. Thanks to placing product names in H1 headers, you're able to create phrases that might be entered into the search engine by potential buyers. This way, you help people find your products online. First of all, as it's been mentioned in the introduction, product names usually contain information about basic features of the offered goods. That is why you should replace simple nouns like cap or t-shirt with more descriptive phrases like Nike basketball cap red or t-shirt with print men's black reserved size L. This way, your product names will specify the category, type and characteristic features of the items. Apart from that, names should include keywords that can be used by potential customers to find your offer. As you already know, a good product name should be neither too short nor too long. Beware of the number of words you use. While it's advisable to briefly describe the product in its name, being too specific can confuse and deter potential buyers. It's better to include the most important information about the product in the name and create a more detailed product description. Example, printed t-shirt men's black reserved size L sounds better than printed t-shirt men's black reserved size L, footballer sticker, Ronaldo, 68-100, t-shirt, 100% silk, easy wash. The latter name is simply too long and not transparent enough. Despite wanting to put all the necessary attributes that matter to you in the name, you should refer only to those features that are the most important to the person looking for the item. First, you need to catch the attention of the potential buyers, then it's time to use the description to thoroughly describe the product. If you own a store with filters for water jugs, don't be afraid to use the phrase jug filter and to specify the brand. Although it might seem to you that repetition aren't the best thing, it's not always the case. Customers don't always go to your homepage or know what you sell. Very often they first encounter your products in the search results. Don't use caps lock. Google has detailed in its editorial requirements what should be avoided when creating product names. Be creative and moderate. Include only the most important information in the product name and mention additional features in the description. Do you find it hard to come up with reasonable keywords? Use ready-made tools that will indicate various suggestions for the phrase you have typed, based on Google statistics. Monitor your market rivals and discover trends. Take your time to analyze your competition, the keywords they use, and create your own strategy based on this information.